Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. In today's video, I'm gonna to show you how to highlight a specific row in Microsoft Excel based on the condition like this. So let's get started. Let's assume your condition in this cell. Whenever a specific name here, the entire row in the table on the left side will be highlighted. First, select the table whose rows you want to highlight. Go to the home menu and styles group, select conditional formatting and click on new rule. A dialog box will appear. From here, select use a formula to determine which cell to format. In this area, first select that first cell of the column in your table that contains name you want to match. So type equal, select this designation first cell and remove row reference row $sign, then type equal and select the cell where the name will change to automatically highlight row, this cell. Next, click on the format this button and set your formatting preference. Select this color. If you want change border font, but I only will be change this color. Okay, now hit OK and again OK. You will see the change in the table. Now change here. You can see the change. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.